Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explorer. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to tell you how to prepare G-codes for 3D printing by using Cura software. So first of all we have to import the STL file in the Cura software. So for that the CAD software, whatever you are using like SolidWorks, AutoCAD Pro E or CATIA, you have to save your CAD model in STL or export it in the STL file format. So for that in SolidWorks you have to click on file and then click on save as. So define the save location, name your model and then click on save as type here, then select STL. For more settings you can select options and in the options you can improve the file quality in for STL file format. So here is the deviation and this is the angle. You can increase the quality by dragging the angle and deviation like this. So as you improve the quality of your STL file, it will take more time to 3D print and also it will more costly. So once you have set it the STL quality, click on OK button and then save. So here you can see this is a whole assembly and I'm going to save it as STL. When I select STL file format and then click on options. So there are two options. The first option is that if you want to save your whole assembly in a single file, then check this option, save all components of an assembly in a single file. And if you want to save all parts of the assembly separately, then uncheck this option, save all components of an assembly in a single file. So now open the Cura software and then import the saved STL file format in the Cura. So for that click and drag that model in the Cura software. Now you have this print bed and this is the origin of the extruder. So click on the model and first of all we have to rotate this CAD model like vertically. Click on the model and then click rotate. Now click and drag this circle to rotate it like this. So here you can see this face is placed on the bed of the printer and it is okay. Next you have these options: layer height, shell thickness and bottom and top thickness in millimeters. So this bottom face thickness and this top and also this top, and this is the shell, and here is the fill density and it defines the amount of material inside the 3D print. For example, if you want to make your 3D print solid from inside, then you should have to type 100% fill density, or if you want to make your part hollow from inside, then you have to define 0%. So let's say at the moment I am going to make 10% fill density and my model will be filled 10% from inside, like it will make a honeycomb structure inside this model. Let me show by using layers. You can see here. So this type of structure will be created inside this model. Next option is print speed. If you want to improve the print quality, you have to minimize the print speed. Then we have print temperature. and it depends on the 3D print filament like PLA or ABS. For PLA you have to make the print temperature between 180 degree centigrade to 210 degree centigrade. Then we have bed temperature, and it depends on the 3D printer and also on filament. Then we have sport, and in this model we do not need any sport, and if in case we have a complex model for example, if I import some model in the Cura which needs some supports, let me show you. So here in this model, as you can see, first of all let me rotate it. So here you can see we need supports for this side, on this side. There are two types of supports, touching bed plate and everywhere. For touching bed plate, the supports will be created from bed only. But if you select everywhere, like this model need the support type from everywhere, and like this structure needs support, also needs support on these points, and also on these points. So that is why we have to make the support type everywhere. Then platform, adhesion, brim or raft. So I'm going to select brim. These are two types of basically these are two structures of supports. So these are the filament properties, like diameter, and it is 1.75, and this is the flow in percentage. So once you had selected all the settings, like for this model I do not need any support, none, then rotate it. It will calculate here. So here you can see 1 hour and 19 minutes, 3.45 meter wire is used, and 10 grams, and this is the price. So to set price, I had selected the preferences from file, and here is the cost price per kilogram. Then press OK button. So once these settings has been done, right click on this button, save to toolpath, then select save G code. Define the save location and name the file, then save. So here you can see we have the G code for this model. Now you can save this G code in SD memory card and print it from your 3D printer. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video, and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos.